There are certain hygiene mistakes that the elderly make, and today's video I want to share with you 6 of them. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kojo Emmanuel, a physician assistant by profession. Without wasting my time, let us look at these 6 hygiene mistakes. The first one is neglecting oral hygiene. Skipping daily brushing or flossing can lead to gum disease, sometimes bad breath, which is also called halitosis, and also tooth decay. The second thing is improper wound care. Ignoring a cut or a wound can sometimes make the wound become infected, prolonging wound healing, and sometimes become an ulcer. If still left unattended, can lead to certain kind of complications. The third thing is not drying up properly after bathing. When there is always moist on your body, that gives a breeding ground for fungal skin infection like athlete foot. The fourth thing is ignoring nail care. Dirty and long nails can harbor bacteria, and that can lead to infection. This is because once you use your hand to eat, this bacteria can end up in your food and you will ingest it into your digestive system, predisposing you to an infection. The fifth thing is wearing the same cloth for a long period of time. If you wear one kind of cloth for a very long period of time, that can lead to bad odor on you. The sixth thing is bathing too often or not enough. There are certain factors that you need to consider before knowing the ideal amount of times you need to bath. I made a video explaining everything you need to know about how often an elderly should bath. You can find time and watch that video on my YouTube channel. So these are certain kind of hygiene mistakes that most elderly people make. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.